If you open the screen right now, it becomes obvious. The meme coin market is on fire. On Solana, new meme coins are launching every few minutes, and some of them show insane activity literally in the first moments after going live. Just look at the chart, and you immediately see how aggressive the market is right now. In this video, I'm going to talk about an unusual and still very rare way to launch meme coins on Solana that almost nobody is using yet. I'll explain how this approach is fundamentally different from standard launches and break it down using my own meme coin as an example. Quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice. I'm not financial advisor. Everything I share is based solely on my personal experience, observations, and market analysis, including the risks like rug pulls, which are always present in the meme coin space. As a developer actively working within the Solana ecosystem, I am experimenting with a meme coin launch format that delivers instant visibility, organic traffic, and real trader attention without the usual noise. No influencers, no Discord trades, no paid ads. It may sound unusual, but in practice, this method has already delivered very strong results, which is exactly why I decided to share it publicly. In this video, you'll see how to launch meme coins on Solana, how a token appears on the screen almost immediately, live trading in real time, the market's reaction during the first minutes after launch. Make sure you watch until the end. I'll explain in detail how this meme coin launch strategy works, why it's getting attention in the crypto space, how it differs from typical approaches, including questionable rug pull models, and why I personally find this method so effective. Okay, first, we need this site. I'll leave a quick link to this site in video description. When creating a token on services like this, the token will automatically show up on all traders like DexScreener and Axiom. So first, I head over to DexScreener and pick any strong token that's at right now. This needed to bring in more buyers and keep solid volume for our meme coin. Alright, I found the token, just a random popular one. Now I hit create token. I copy the image, name, and ticker. Now I'm launching around 1 billion tokens, but the supply doesn't really matter. Next, I add a description. It can be funny or more detailed. And now the most important part, a new feature will replace the info about the token creator. More specifically, we set another large Solana wallet. Yes, this is a new option. We can swap the data about the token developer. This info gets updated in smart contract metadata. But don't worry, you'll still be the actual owner. Here's what's important to understand. There are platforms that provide real-time data on newly launched tokens. There are dozens of these services, and they're monitored by hundreds of thousands of participants. Regular buyers, sniper bots, constantly scanning for new launches. Now, focus on one specific detail, the token creator information. My goal is to identify a creator address linked to a wallet holding a large amount of SOL. These mechanics are simple. I launch a token with very low initial liquidity, for example, around 3 SOL. The moment the token goes live, it gets indexed and instantly appears across all major trading platforms. Traders see the same token showing up everywhere at the same time. At the same time, they notice another important signal. The creator wallet displays a massive SOL balance. This is where psychology comes into play. When traders see this combination, many of them assume the low liquidity was added intentionally. The common narrative is that the creator is offering early access at a low price, possibly for insiders or early buyers, with the expectation that a large liquidity injection from that SOL-rich wallet will happen later, pushing the token price sharply upward. And this assumption isn't just speculation. In reality, some token creators do use this exact strategy. That's why sniper bots and experienced traders actively search for launches that match this pattern. So my objective here is simple: to structure my token launch in a way that perfectly fits this recognizable setup. Take a look. This is a clear example of how this scheme works. The creator launched their token with minimal initial liquidity while holding a significant amount of Solana in their wallet. Traders were able to buy this meme coin at a very low price, and shortly thereafter, the token's price skyrocketed. Today, I'm going to launch a token that will provide buyers the same visual cues. For this, I've identified a wallet with a large SOL balance. I'm copying the address of that wallet and passing it here. I'm using this approach because it increases the perceived trustworthiness of the token. For the token to appear on all trading platforms, including DexScreener, you need to create a liquidity pool. This can be done through SpamSwap, a newer option on PanFun, on to Radium. You can also configure everything directly on this website by enabling this liquidity feature. At this point, you simply select how much Solana and how many tokens you want to provide to the pool. Liquidity management is flexible and adjustments can always be made later. I'll be adding liquidity directly to this platform. I already listed several tokens here before. As you can see, I'm opening the liquidity pool page. All my previous launches have been profitable, in my opinion. Okay, now let's get back to creating a token. I will add 3 Solana to the liquidity pool, but you can add fewer, for example, 1 Solana. But I already launched many tokens using this approach, and the biggest profit is when the liquidity is about 3 Solana. But with 1 Solana, it is also good. Okay, now I indicate how many tokens I will contribute to the liquidity pool. I recommend adding 90% of the total supply. For example, if 1 billion tokens are issued, then we add 900 million. Okay, now choose a 2% charge, and that's it. Now I paste my wallet address here. Tokens will be sent to this address, and this address will be the real owner. Now click launch token, and I see a payment panel. I need to send Solana to this address. This is the cost for creating a token. Okay, I made a transaction. Now click check transaction, and boom, I see my meme coin contract address. Now I click on the address and SaltCan opens. I copy the address of my token. Now we copy the token address, we go to the deck screen, choose any token. Now we need to replace the token address with ours. Great, I can see my token on the deck screen. We already see instant purchases by sniper bots, but this is too little for us. This is not enough. We need to wait a few minutes for real people to start trading. Note that the deck screen displays liquidity twice as much as the actual. This is because it also takes into account our token, which now has a price. Now I'm just watching how my tokens will be bought and sold. Yet this bot crypto trading looks like now. Meme coins on Solana are very popular again, so similar golden methods for launching meme coins will appear. But you already know that in a bull market, methods always appear that allow me to make very good profit from crypto, but they stop working relatively quickly. So if you find a good method, use it as soon as possible. Well, I'll just speed up the video and let's see what happens in 15 minutes. Look at this. Sniper bots are already jumping in. They're buying 2 multiple separate transactions, sometimes dropping up to 5 SOL per byte. Alright, if I pull the liquidity right now, I'll walk away with roughly 13 Solana. That's a solid return, very clean profit. Just watch how fast this token shoots upward. It moves hard and fast. Now open a liquidity pool page and check my portfolio. Everything is visible in real time, and I can clearly see the profit accumulating. To exit the liquidity pool, it's simple. Click remove liquidity, choose 100%, and then confirm remove entire liquidity. All the funds return back to the wallet, and the token is effectively locked. On this platform, there's no need to approve extra transactions. The service handles everything automatically through a smart contract. And just to clarify, you're still the actual owner of the token. Alright, I click remove, done. Liquidity is gone, and the token is fully locked. You can immediately see the result reflect on the DEX platform. At the same time, it's worth noting that many Solana meme coins bring constant profits when creating don't right, and instead focus on marketing and development. Because of that, buyers continue to jump into tokens launched with this structure, even knowing that some percentage may end badly. Right now, meme coins on Solana are gaining momentum again, which means more strategies and opportunities like this will keep appearing. This specific method works today, but there's no guarantee I will still be effective in a month or so. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks everyone for watching.